this video on Schoology conferences. In this video we will talk about whiteboard controls. Let's get started. From the main page here, we're going to go ahead and move the chat out of the way. The default PDF here, the presentation is always in place from big blue button. The first slide has information for you, but the second slide and beyond are all whiteboards. This allows you to have canvases in which you can work on, as well as some you can have preloaded. The tools for working on this are on the right side here. You'll notice you have multiple tools here that go from pan to pencil, rectangle, triangle, ellipses, line, and text. Each one of these you have multiple options beyond that as far as sizing and color. So for instance, if you're making different sizes and different colors, you can undo anything you've just done and you can clear all. You also have the ability to give access to students so they can draw as well. The whiteboard multi-user button here on the bottom grants them access, at which time they can go ahead and do whatever they need to do. You can always give yourself back access. It takes them out of there, but it keeps the drawings in place. You can always clear canvas as well. This concludes the video on Schoology conferences. Please take a look at the other videos which may be of interest. Thank you for your time.